Mike Valchuk, Building Dreams Contracting. Let's see the update here in Dundas. As you can see from last time, we had all of the interior walls still intact so we could assess the structure. Now we've taken it all down and we have just the roof left to take off. In preparing to take off the roof, we start looking at the drawings and ordering the material ahead of time because time is of the essence. We got to watch the weather closely because we have a finished basement below us. So when we take this roof off, we have to allow enough time for great weather so that way we don't have any water breach the whole house. Now what we did notice is after we did the demo and we started ordering all of our lumber and our steel, the drawings are going to show you one thing, but what's important is that we come to site and we actually do a site measure. And what we found was where the beam was supposed to be located, which is this pink circle here, this was going to have a point load that goes all the way down into the basement. Keep in mind the basement is finished, so we have some restrictions down below. Now what we noticed was there's a door right below here that leads into the laundry room. We can't have the post go right down into the middle of that door, it causes a lot of issues. So we start brainstorming, we bring the engineers back, and we find out that we are capable of shifting the entire beam over approximately 20 inches to where you now see it here. Now if we turn around, I'm going to show you how that affects what we have going on the site. So before, we had the post that was going to be going into this wall here. No issue at all, and it only landed right approximately here. Moving the beam over means that now it goes to the exterior wall, which is this much further back. So we have to end up ordering longer material, a larger piece of steel that'll go here, and then in the back we have the same thing that happens. So coming back to site and making sure that you're referencing all of the site conditions is extremely important. And I'll show you right here. So right in this area is where the other one used to be. We had to shift everything over right here. Now we have another beam that lands right in line with it. So now this one also has to extend. Again, emphasizing the importance of coming to site and actually taking measurements of what's here. The drawings are great, but this is better.